focus so bit of where we're walking towards. This is probably one of our most frequent activities. Walking out in nature.
Yeah.
It's just getting the fresh air. It feels good, you know? Instead of being cooped up inside, working out in the AC, it's good to get some fresh air every once in a while.
Definitely. And Junior needs it too because he's always inside as well.
Yeah, it's good to get some sun, you know, get that vitamin D in our skin. You should film those vines up there. Everything looks post-apocalyptic around here. We always imagine like a zombie outbreak or some crazy scenario.
Yeah, I
going
know.
on.
Freaking zombie comes. See him come to the freaking woods. So you can't even see anything. It's just woods.
Another reason why we came out is because we've been kind of sick recently. Maybe the fresh air will help us decongest.
Yeah, especially him too.
Yeah.
So at night, I have to wake up. It's around like 5 in the morning. And I have to unclog his nose. And I swear it takes about like 20 minutes to do. And you just hear him screaming because he doesn't like it. You can hear all the boogers coming out. It's nasty. But it's bad. But he's getting better. He slept a little better last night.
So this part's closest to civilization, I guess. You can hear the cars and all this. There's a parking lot coming up ahead. But once you get past that, you're kind of engulfed by nature. It's just one solid slab just going straight through woods. You see wild animals, wild pigs, I don't know, all kinds of, I guess, cool stuff to look at. Something you don't regularly see every day in your city life, I guess.
There's a lizard!
It jumped up there for no reason. It jumped up there just
I don't even know where it went. I hear it, but I can't see it. So we have to walk up these stairs.
Oh, look, there's a green one. I think these are chameleon-esque. They go from tan to green.
It's crazy. There it is.
You should take pictures as well, just so we can post them.
I like how you can take a picture while you're videoing. Yeah. Man, I'm already out of breath. Where?
Right there on that.
Oh.
It's in the grass right now.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Yummy!
It feels good to sweat, man. After being sick and being inside all day,
Yeah.
it feels good to get out and sweat. There was more.
There's a lot of lizards out here. It looks so pretty. This is what we walked. Husband. Sexy man over there.
Hey, beautiful.
It's the overlook.
Look at his little teeth.